Good evening, Shubha Sanjay, Elrigu Namaskara. Many parcels incoming towards end of the year, making it extra special, even though the year wasn't that special. So today we have this special parcel, by title already know. So there are two reasons why I'm unboxing this on my channel. One is I'm a watch enthusiast and I'm very excited. Second is I've not seen any of the much videos, minimal to very less videos on the internet. Even though the so-called watch collectors, none of them have this. Even though they have other Indian micro brands, but this I've seen very less. So let's begin with the unboxing. Before that, reasons why I bought this. This is, this brand is very unique. If you would have watched Shark Tank, that's how I got introduced. I just had cold water. That's how I got introduced to this brand. Second is their designs are very unique and they represent the heritage and culture of our country. And one more big reason, Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, was seen wearing this very watch, if I'm not wrong. Let's unbox it and see. This is the Jaipur Watch Company Baagh third edition with Roman numerals. I think there are three variants in this. One with the Roman numerals, one with the Devanagari fonts, that is the 12:1, and one with the English fonts. We have got the one with the Roman, if I'm not wrong. Mostly. I forgot because the waiting period for this watch after Mr. Modi was seen wearing it is quite long. Initially when I called them to book, because they don't have many stores, they have it only in limited 5-star hotels all over India and they don't have it everywhere. So when I called them, they were like, you have to book it through online only and it might take 2 to 3 months. I think 1.5 months back I booked this and now I finally have it. The price, even before starting, it's not a cheap watch. It's expensive. It's an automatic watch and it comes with the very famous Japanese Miyota automatic movement. Reliable, nothing fancy. So the watch, I think it is around 50 to 60,000. I will see once I see the bill. Now let's quickly get into the unboxing. My sister is, telling do it fast. Initially on the internet I saw that there was a wooden box, but here they have not given us that wooden box. I was expecting that wooden box.
Scam.
Not a scam, but I think it is only for the review purposes that got sent. This is how the packaging looks. Simple box. I think this is the bill. Please address it there. Let's see how much is the cost of this watch. It's not a cheap watch. And they make it with the, ancient coins and stuff like that. Their designs are such. It is 55,000 rupees. You can show just the amount. It is 55,000 rupees. Let's keep the bill aside. Now let's do the unboxing. Fragile. It is very fragile. 55,000. Obviously it's fragile. How do you unbox? The packaging nice. I'm not knowing where to unbox this. This is what you pay 55,000 for. Good packaging.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूं, लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
Doing only unboxing videos. Need to do some ride videos soon. Today morning I was supposed to go to a ride, but if you know Bangalore temperature are going 8 degrees, 9 degrees.
Is
Too cold. Yappa. Last video and talk actually. Okay. This is the box. Jaipur Watch Company. Now let's start the unboxing. Jaipur Watch Company is written. Authentication sticker. Here is the brand logo. 1, 2. Why do they keep this? How many times will they show how much I've paid? Okay, I've got a gift voucher. If anyone wants to buy 55,000 rupees watch, you can ping me on Instagram. I'll give you the gift voucher. Okay, this is the warranty card. 2020 date of purchase. Okay, how many years warranty? 2 years. So 22 years of warranty. This is a note. Let me read what the note says. Show me what you're seeing. Due to an extreme surge in orders, we are out of packaging boxes. We promise to send it to you soon. This is an apology. We are sending across a discount voucher for our next purchase. I told you, I was expecting that wooden box, but not a scam. I told. This is the watch, guys. Looks nice with the Roman numerals. This is actually the coin of India. So their designs involve around coins and many are Indian culture and heritage. Now let us take the watch. There's one more cover. Feels very solid. From the images, I was not able to make it out. It feels equivalent to a good, Japanese and even Swiss watches for that matter. Feels very solid. When I initially saw the watch, I didn't feel it, but has a good weight to it. If you hold the watch and if you know anything about watches, you will know that whenever you hold, you can say whether that watch is, worth it or not. Amazing.
Show the back side.
This is the back. Let me remove the comes with a Japanese Miyota movement. It's an automatic watch. Basically, you need to keep it movement for the spring to rotate, and that's how it charges the watch. It has a small window where you can see the movement. Says Jaipur Watch Company, crafted in Jaipur. It is a sapphire crystal, not a mineral crystal that most of the Indian brands, micro brands these days use. Nice. The leather also, it's pure genuine leather if I'm not wrong. Looks good. Let me wear it on my hand now. And it comes with a clasp, not a belt. Nice. Comment down below how does that watch look. It's got really good weight to it, and it feels very good also in hand. It's not too heavy, at the same time it's not too light for you to go and bang places knowing that you forgot wearing a watch. Let's see the inside. It is a ₹1/2 coin. That's our Indian culture coin, that it is their heritage, and all these are Roman numerals. Looks very good. Looks
Is
very
that a
premium.
real coin?
Yes, apparently yes, it is a real coin. And if I'm not wrong, there are only a limited number of pieces until the coin's lost. They're going to make this, but it is really good, and I like the design also. It is not a continuous flow from the watch. It has a separate, which I like, and it's not very common. I've seen very less designs in watches wherein the belt has a link so that you can make out the watch. Looks very good. So yeah, this is the watch, and if any of the watch curator or any of the famous, I keep seeing watch collection videos and all that, but they show a lot of other Indian micro brands, but very few have shown Jaipur Watch Company, and I have one or two Indian other micro brands like your Delhi Watch Company and all, but I would say the quality of this is much better than that. So on that note, we're going to end this video here. If you want me to make a detailed video on this or compare it to either of the Japanese watches or the Swiss watches, do let me know. Let's compare and see where one on there, where one on here, and see how does everything work. For that, comment down below. See you in the next one very soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, have fun, and see you in the next video.